feel kind of chilly with the clouds, but Alex says we're actually warmer than normal. Let's check in with her right now. Alex, how warm is it right now?
Well, still pretty nice out there. 65 degrees in Pueblo currently, and those high clouds did make for a pretty sunset tonight. Still looks beautiful off in the distance, looking towards the Spanish Peaks. So yeah, the high clouds kind of really impacted the amount of bright sun we felt today, but temperatures certainly above normal. Most of us were seeing highs in the 60s and 70s, more than 10 degrees above average. So we're taking our time cooling off now this evening. We're in the 40s, 50s, and 60s. For the rest of the night, I expect the clouds to decrease, and that is good news because we could see the northern lights tonight. They could be possible on the northern horizon, probably with a camera lens.
Pretty cool. Alex, thank you.
And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
It was a warm day in southern Colorado, continuing this trend we've had for the most part this November with above average temperatures. Now that the sun has been down and we're cooling off, we're now at where we typically would see highs this year in the 50s and 60s. But today we rose to the 60s and 70s. Tonight, temperatures will be variable, just kind of depending on your location. They'll range from the 20s to mostly 30s across our area. Our warm spot will be Canyon City to 40 degrees tonight. Our cool spot will be Alamosa to 21. Definitely need a coat starting the day tomorrow. But tomorrow afternoon, another unusually warm day for us to 67 for the high in Colorado Springs. We'll still have some high clouds in place throughout the afternoon. We should get enough sunshine to make it feel comfortable outside. Again, our average high is 55 now, so still trending unusually mild. In Pueblo tomorrow, I've got 71 for you. A mix of sun and high clouds in place through the afternoon. Again, our average high is 63, so continuing on this unusual warm trend. So let's take you through the next few days and see where we finally see some change. So Wednesday's highs, as I mentioned, 60s and 70s, still warm. We're getting even warmer on Thursday, 60s and 70s again. And on Friday, 60s and 70s. So we're still stuck in this pattern that we have been for the first 2 weeks of November. But I am finally tracking a longer duration weather pattern change for us, and it all begins this weekend with this area of low pressure. This storm system we've been watching all week, but it has significantly slowed down, so it doesn't look to impact Colorado now until probably Sunday into Monday. Earlier in the week, we were thinking this thing was going to move through by Friday with snow in the mountains, but now Sunday looks like the higher impact day for mountain snow and starting to cool down here in the state as a whole. But you'll notice as we head throughout the entirety of next week, we'll still have this jet stream pretty low and keeping us cool for the extended outlook. Let's look at this weekend storm system so you can get a bit of an idea of what we expect. Now Friday is trending dry, and most of Saturday is trending dry as well. We might have a few light showers in the mountains, but it looks like we'll have the higher impacts with snow in the mountains on Sunday into Monday. We could see some rain here in the plains and perhaps a wintry mix in some of our mountain valley zones. This should be a nice change for us because we've been dry and we really need to build up that snowpack. So looking ahead, there's some uncertainty here in exactly how these waves of energy will move through our area, but there's at least a chance of some moisture starting Sunday, lasting into Monday and Tuesday. Chance for showers on Sunday would be in the afternoon and as rain. There's a chance of a wintry mix at night. We'll watch that trend for you so I can help you plan for next week. But for Pueblo, we're in the 70s for the rest of the week, and we're significantly cooling down next week. Canyon City from 70s this week to 50s next week, and Woodland Park from 60s for the rest of this week to 40s and snow showers next week.